All right, time to fuel up, baby. All right. Well, how you guys doing today? It is a beautifully cold Michigan morning here, and we're actually about to get a snowstorm on Saturday, which is super exciting. Fueling up the truck, I got to fuel up the snow blowers, do all that mess. So it's an exciting morning and afternoon here, right? Here's what I want to talk to you guys for just a few minutes is a product or service called FuelCred. This is actually really cool, and I want you guys to remember any one thing from this video. It's called free money. There is free money that we are leaving on the table as lawn and landscape business owners that 99% of us don't know about, aren't paying attention to, or aren't taking this credit in our lawn and landscape business. So what are we talking about? Well, long story short, there's an app out there now called FuelCred that you guys can download that can help you track your fuel expenses for what we call off-road use fuel. So off-road use fuel is for our mowers, our trimmers, our blowers, basically everything that's not in the truck. Now, I know a lot of you guys are like, well, I already deduct my fuel costs, so I'm already taking advantage of this. Nay, here's what I want to talk to you guys about is above and beyond. This is extra credit that goes back into your bottom line. This goes right back into your checking account as a tax credit. So we've all heard of like the EV credit for electric vehicles. We've heard of child tax credits. Well, the off-road use fuel credit is what I wanted to talk to you guys about right now. Like I said earlier, this is not a deduction, which I know a lot of you guys are already doing. This is a +1. This is a pure credit back on your taxes that you've already paid federal tax on the fuel that you've purchased. And again, you get that back as a 1-to-1 credit on your taxes. All right, let's do this. Let me fill up here. Let's go grab the snowblower and I'll explain a little bit more to you guys. All right, for all of you guys that want to get in on the action and claim your free credit with all the fuel that you use for off-road use purposes, it's really simple. Download the FuelCred app and you'll create an account. It doesn't take more than 60 seconds to do all this. I've already done it. It's actually pretty slick. And here's the deal. The app itself automatically imports, it categorizes, it summarizes all of your fuel transactions from the previous year or where you're currently at in the current year. It's actually pretty cool. Now, the point of FuelCred is that at the end of the year, you don't have to go back through and track every transaction. You don't have to track every receipt, the whole deal, right? It's already there on the app. You already have this whole layout with all your transaction details. When you go to the end of year filing, that's what you're purchasing from FuelCred. And what is that? So as you have all these transactions and you qualify, you can see like real time what your estimated tax credit is going to be. Let's say it's $700 based on how much fuel you used. You get this annual report, which by the way, fills out that form 4136 and it sends it right off to you or your CPA, which is really cool.